If you're running a business in Australia under an ABN, one feature that can save you heaps of time is Billable expenses tracking. Basically, it lets you record expenses you've paid on behalf of a client and then easily add them back to their invoice so you're not out of pocket. So here's the idea. Say you buy software, travel, or materials for a project. Instead of just recording it as a normal business expense, you flag it as a billable. That way, when you're creating the client's invoice, your accounting software will prompt you to add those costs straight onto the bill. Now, depending on whether you're using Xero, MYOB, or QuickBooks Online, the setup looks a little different. But the workflow is pretty much the same. So in Xero, simply go into your settings and enable the option for projects or billable expenses. So when you enter a spend money or bill transaction, tick the box to assign it to a customer. Now, in MYOB, you want to turn on the reimbursed expenses feature, which is going to be found in preferences. Then, when you enter a supplier bill, just select the customer you're charging it back to. And in QuickBooks Online, there's literally a toggle in the expenses settings that's called Track Billable Expenses. So once that's on, every time you log an expense, you can literally assign it to a customer and choose to make it billable. Now, I'm going to give you a couple tips to make everything work smoothly. Always attach receipts. That way, when your client sees the charge, you've got backup ready. Then, always double check your GST treatment. So if the supplier included GST, make sure it flows through correctly so you're not over or under reporting. And finally, communicate it clearly on your invoice. Clients always appreciate knowing exactly what those extra costs were. And once you've got this set up, you never lose track of reimbursable costs again. And best of all, you also keep your cash flow healthy because clients are covering the expenses that belong to them. So if you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment the next topic you'd want me to cover.